On Vikram in Hong Kong, we are spreading the word about some really exclusive offers that Qatar Airways is running on flights from Hong Kong. Now, see, this is the page, and for your benefit, what we've done is we provided the direct link to the same page in the description below this video. You simply need to click on that, and you'll be able to straight away navigate to this page. Now, this offer essentially is in terms of significantly discounted fares as compared to what you would normally pay. Now, let's see some examples which will make things very clear to you. For instance, Hong Kong to Abu Dhabi on economy class, you're paying just less than 4,500 Hong Kong dollars. So, this is definitely an extremely discounted fare over what you would normally pay. And see, the terms and conditions per se are very simplistic. You simply need to purchase by a fixed date, which is 6th of February 2017. And at least at this point in time, there is ample time. So you can definitely go ahead and purchase by this date. The travel period is very long. It extends right from 23rd January to 10th of December. So practically the entire 2017. So you have ample time as far as your travel period or the journey which you will take. You just need to purchase by 6th of February. As long as you do that, you'll be able to avail these significantly discounted fares. Now, this is Hong Kong, Abu Dhabi. Let's see some more examples which will make things that much more clear to you. Like for instance, Hong Kong, Amsterdam, which is of course quite a distance. Again, we are seeing everything else remaining the same. Again, for in fact, for all of them, you pretty much need to purchase by this date. And for Hong Kong, Amsterdam, you're paying 4,250 HKD, which again is a huge discount over what you would normally pay. The same flight in business class, again, it's a hugely discounted fare. You're paying 20,400 HKD, which typically would be much more. Then going forward, if we are to look at Hong Kong, Bahrain, in economy, you're just paying a little under 6,000 HKD, which again typically is pretty much more than what we would see otherwise. And if you look at, say, Hong Kong, Barcelona, let's look at both economy and business. Economy, you're paying 6,710 HKD, whereas on business class, you're paying 23,000 HKD. Again, discounted fares. And one big advantage is that in this particular instance, because there are some of these very few instances where you can in fact book by 30th June. So that gives you so much more time and yet be able to avail these discounted fares. Let's look at some more. Let's look at okay, Hong Kong, Buenos Aires, which is quite a distance. On economy class, we're looking at 11,690 HKD. Then Hong Kong, Cairo on business class, we're looking at a shade under 30,000 HKD. Going forward, Hong Kong, Copenhagen on business, we're looking at 20,200. On Hong Kong, Dar es Salaam business, we're looking at 31,620. Hong Kong, Dubai business class, booked by 6th Feb, that's 24,600. So, this gives you a pretty good idea. Okay, let's look at Hong Kong, Geneva. Economy, we're looking at 3,680, whereas business class, we're looking at 20,810. Then, when it comes to Hong Kong, Istanbul, economy, we are looking at 3,870. Business class, we are looking at 20,330. So, in every instance, you'll find that the fares are significantly reduced. Hong Kong, Karachi on economy is 4,790. Hong Kong, Karachi business class, quite a discounted fare, 12,120. Okay, Hong Kong, London, I'm sure a lot of you would be interested. Hong Kong, London on economy is working out to 3,990. The same, everything being same, just the date being extended where you have that much more time is 6,560. Whereas Hong Kong, London business class is 18 to 240. So these are the kind of fares that we are seeing. Let's look at some more. Okay, Hong Kong, Paris, again the same scenario where one you have the 6th of Feb date, the next is 30th June, and next is business. We have 3890, 5760, and 23,830. So again a significantly discounted price. Then let's look at Hong Kong, Vienna as well. Economy and business, we're looking at 4,090 and 21,400 respectively. Hong Kong, Washington DC economy and business, we're looking at 6,820 and 27,740. So this essentially sums things up. See, we showed you quite a few of these examples, and across all of them, you'll find that there are these exclusive offers on flights from Hong Kong. So we would encourage you to definitely go ahead and make the most of these offers, because they would obviously be time bound. The date itself is very clearly specified, 6th Feb in most instances, and in a few you have the option of extending things up to 30th June. So you have that much time. So our recommendation is that you make the most of these. Of course, you can plan your travel period as per when you would like to or need to travel. So that's something which we wanted to share. Thanks so much for watching, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to Vikram in Hong Kong.